Very good afternoon to all of you. We are very much thankful to Credai Telangana inviting us to be a sponsor here. Techno Paints is a professional painting services company, particularly providing services to corporate clients. We are serving almost 60% of India's top 10 builders. So we have been associated with most of the top construction companies in India, and particularly our presence is 80% clients are from South India. Okay, so why we are so special in these painting services? We have very unique model with us to provide services to corporate clients to meet their timelines. Particularly, we have served almost 250 plus clients, which comes to around 60 plus projects. And our expertise is paints manufacturing as well as service providing. So we have 20 years of paints manufacturing experience, and we have been in services, paint application, painting services for the last 24 years. So we have vast experience. We have a very good teams working for us, and we are every day trying to understand customer needs and market demand. Accordingly, we are changing ourselves to meet customer expectations. Till date, in the last 5 years, we have completed 117 plus million square feet internal texture finishes, and almost close to 400 million square feet internal finishes, and external finishes almost 150, close to 150 million square feet. So this is our strength. So we are capable to cater services to any kind of projects, whether it is apartments or villas. We are very much established. Right now, we are executing 200 plus projects. If you see the breakdown, we have almost 70 villa projects, luxury bungalows, 12 high-rise apartments, and standalone apartments and commercial buildings and hospitals. So this is our strength. So we are following very unique model to provide services to these corporate clients. You know, painting services is very challenging for all the particularly big projects. So maybe your tight side, we have to work under tight timelines, scheduled. Maybe you might have extended the construction activity till end, and finally at painting services we squeeze the timelines. So we are very much geared up to meet your expectations, your timelines, to deliver the best and quality services. And we are following very unique business model to provide services to clients like you. So we have our own paints manufacturing unit, state-of-the-art facility with automation, complete automation of the plant to give you quality services. We have very unique model to monitor each system. We have WhatsApp groups from the project manager to supervisor to all the engineers working at the site, so that any challenge, any decision to be taken, anything to be communicated to so that immediately they can communicate to us, or we can also communicate to them. So this is how we are working very closely to the clients. We are providing services across country. We have presence across the country. We have South India. We are very much presence. Our presence is there. In addition to that, Pune, Mumbai, Kanpur, we have projects. So our capacity right now is we can paint 14 lakh SFT per day with our present strength. So these are capabilities. So and till date, in last 5 years, we have completed 11,710 villas and 24,000 plus. The highest number of flats, the project which the highest number of flats we have delivered is Precious Highfields. Recently, we have completed this one. And highest villa project is 450 plus flats, villas, that is APR projects in Patacheru. So these are capability and strength. Okay, in addition to this, as I told you, we have in-house dedicated R&D team continuously striving to give better products, to give better quality services. So these are various texture finishes we are providing to the clients. So recently, the demand for the gypsum is increasing, So we have started giving punning service also. We have our own gypsum we are importing from abroad, and ultra white gypsum plastering is also being done from our side. And recently we have collaborated with Italian company for ultra high luxury finishes. That is Rialto. Maybe I request all of you, please visit our stall. You can feel the kind of products we are offering and the capability of our services. Thank you.